channel. Is our day 4 of the Vlogmas, and like I promised us that today I was going to talk about how to fix reused content, how I fixed mine especially, and I'm also going to attach the video of the appeal video I sent to YouTube. I'm going to attach it at the end of this video, so you might just want to watch it and fine-tune yours if yours had to do it making an appeal video and send it for monetization. Okay, how to fix reused content? Basically, there are 2 ways to fix reused content. Are there 2 ways now or 3? So one of it is that if YouTube flag you for reused content, the first thing you should do is not to run and go and start deleting videos on your channel. YouTube might be wrong. Okay, so if you are flagged for reused content, the first thing you want to do is to go through your channel again and check if there are contents that are not your original content. If there are such content, see if there is a way you can maybe mute the aspect. Sometimes it could be songs, popular songs, general songs. I'm going to make another video talking about what reused contents are generally and how you can use them even if you must use them. Okay, so when you are being flagged for reused content, one of the things you want to first of all do is check your channel, and if it is a song, you can edit it in the YouTube studio, and you can't do that on the studio on the app. It has to be the studio on web, like you can access it from your system. Then you can mute, in editing you can mute a part of a song and all of that. Mute it. If it has to do with videos that are not yours, you can trim them out. Then let your last resort be deleting. If they have to do with things you cannot mute or trim, you just have to delete them. Then delete them, wait for your watch hour to go again and apply. Okay, that's number 1. Then number 2, if every content on your channel is your original content, the music, it could be that somebody formulated the music for you and you'll be using in your videos. It could be that they are the same, maybe same kind of background or something, but you are sure that every content on that channel is your original content. Please don't delete or edit anything. Appeal YouTube's decision. And the way to appeal is to make a video. When you click on that appeal, when you are reading, when they send you your decision, there's a place they will tell you if you think you made a mistake, appeal. So when you click on it, they'll show you that you are supposed to make a video and tell you what you are supposed to do or say in the video. I know when it was my turn, I was a bit confused at that bit, but then I did it, and that was the appeal video that they reviewed and got me monetized. So I'm just going to attach it just now. Make sure you watch it. If this is your first time on the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, drop me your comment down below. I'd love to engage with you. Thank you for watching me always. See you tomorrow.
Hi, dear YouTube partners. My name is Christiana Ikebo, and the name of my channel is Christy's World. So I'm a YouTube content creator, and I film videos around food, family, and lifestyle. I create my videos from scratch, my food videos, my lifestyle videos, my family videos. I also have some silent night vlogs on my channel, and I put out this content every week, and I have my viewers enjoying what I film. I put a lot of effort into my videos, creating them from scratch, and I'm really not happy about the decision saying that my videos has reused content. I've deleted every iota of video that didn't have that I didn't originally create or had iota of content that were not mine, even if I remixed or reused them. So every content on my video right now are mine, and I am not happy with the decision of not accepting me to the YouTube partnership program, because I put a lot of effort into my videos. I follow all YouTube guidelines and policies as regards monetization, and I'm asking and pleading that my appeal be reviewed, my channel be reviewed once more, and the proper decision be taken. So I film my videos using my iPhone and an Android phone, and I edit using iMovie. And these are videos I've already edited on my iMovie and posted on the channel. The whole my editing process, this is how I go about it. I film videos, send them to my laptop, and then I begin to edit using iMovie. I use all the editing tools provided by iMovie, the background songs, in areas where I need them, text and all of that. When I'm using my Android as well, I use UCut to edit, and that's all I do. So I'll be attaching some videos of myself. We're making some food videos, lifestyle videos, and family videos. Those are what my contents are all about majorly. And I am pleading and appealing that my channel be reviewed critically and the right decision be taken. Thank you, because I know that you are going to do this correctly. Thank you. So I've attached some of my filming process here. I've been creating lots of videos around my newborn, pregnancy and childbirth, and I categorize them under lifestyle. So these are some of the filming process of some of those videos. I do lots of cook videos which I film. They are there on my channel to see. That's how I film my food videos and edit them and post them. So that's basically all what my channel is about. Just included some clips in some of the videos I'm working on recently and I've posted. So you might want to go through my channel and view this and critically review my channel and take the proper decision. Thank you.